In today's video, we're diving into how to use content categories to stay organized, something that can truly streamline your process and save you hours every week. If you've ever struggled to keep your content organized or felt overwhelmed trying to stay on top of everything, you're in the right place. I've tested out the most popular software out there, and I'll be sharing with you the best one to help you organize your content more efficiently. And you can follow along with an exclusive free trial in the description below. First, let's talk about why content categories are essential for staying organized. Without a solid structure, your content can quickly spiral into chaos, whether it's blog posts, videos, or social media updates. Categories help you map out your ideas, track your progress, and ensure nothing gets forgotten or duplicated. They allow you to break down your content into manageable chunks, which is key for long-term productivity. To get started, think of the main themes or topics that are most important for your brand or business. For example, if you're a lifestyle content creator, your categories might include health, travel, fashion, and personal development. Each of these categories can then be subdivided into smaller topics. For instance, under health, you might include nutrition, fitness, and mental wellness. Once you've identified your main categories, it's time to map out content within each one. For each category, think about the type of content you want to create, whether it's blog posts, videos, or social media posts. For instance, under the travel category, you might decide to post a video review of your latest trip, a blog about packing tips, and social media updates with daily travel photos. This way, you're not only keeping your content organized, but also ensuring that you're covering all angles within each category. Now, when you begin adding content to your categories, consider using software to help keep track of everything. Whether it's your content calendar, ideas for future posts, or even just the status of your current projects, good content management software is invaluable. The software we'll be using in this video helps you track everything in real time and keeps all your ideas neatly categorized in one place, so you're never scrambling to find a topic or remember your next move. One of the best features of this software is that you can assign deadlines and set reminders for each piece of content, ensuring you're staying on schedule. You can also tag each piece of content by category, making it easier to locate later when you need it. Plus, with an intuitive dashboard, you can get a clear view of everything that's in the pipeline and which content is due soon, so you're always prepared. At this point, it's clear that the software helps automate and streamline your process, but there's a final step you don't want to forget: monitoring and adjusting. Once you start creating content in your categories, regularly review what's performing best and where you can improve. If a particular category isn't resonating with your audience, it's time to pivot and adjust. Keep your categories flexible to adapt to the ever-changing landscape of your content strategy. The key takeaway here is to simplify your content creation process by using categories to organize everything. Identify your main categories, break them down into smaller topics, track everything with software, and adjust based on performance. As a quick revision, remember to 1. Choose your content categories based on your main themes. 2. Break each category into smaller actionable topics. 3. Use content management software to track everything. 4. Regularly review and adjust your categories based on performance. Before we wrap up, don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial of the software we've been using. It's available only to my viewers, so make sure you take advantage of that and start organizing your content today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.